Hey everybody, what would a video offer be without play buttons? So we've designed our own set of 17 play buttons. Now what are play buttons good for? Well, they're good for GIFs, they're good for videos, they're good for imagery on emails to get people to click. A play button is a call to action, and the better the play button looks, the more likely the viewer is to click it. So you can see what it looks like on a background. This is a video background, and you can also overlay them on images. So we hope you enjoy the offer and take advantage today.